Yeah. No, you wait a minute, wait a minute.
Oh, you seen that too?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God, I feel on a bullshit skirt. Sleep.
I see what she decided to go.
Let's see if it lights it. Let's see if it lights it.
Did you put a whistle chasing in there?
No.
You ready? Wait. Are you gonna see if it lights it?
Yeah. Back up.
That's what it does.
Oh shit. You got it. Pop back up. Oh. Supposed to pop. He's still lit.
Oh, it's light.
Did it blow all up?
No. It's still lit. Light it.
Right here?
Yeah.
Chicken still wants to fight.
You gotta put the thing versus the chicken.
It's suicidal chicken. It's a Iraqi chicken.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm filming it.
The Iraqi chicken.
What y'all doing? I'll take a picture.
We're not doing anything. Calm down. It's all fun.
Come here. Come here. I know, come here.
Flowers laying on everywhere here.
When he shoots out, whenever he shoots out, it's going like this. From sideways. He'll light one of these and it all goes off.
Do it like this.
We have a chicken wrapped in black cats and a tank with a Russian roulette on it.
Let me use my phone.
I'm afraid the black cat.
What is
You're gonna light a black cat trying to light the green stem.
Yeah.
Let me see, you wanna light them at the same time?
What
No,
is
No.
that?
he'll light him. There's a chicken
man.
wrapped up in black cats. And a tank wrapped with some Russian roulette. I don't know what it does.
You ready?
So we're gonna like jump
You
back.
take a picture?
Yeah.
Bob is recording.
What's that, Calvin? I'm trying to. How's this
There.
Hopefully, is it combined? The fuses?
No. I think that one should light that one, shouldn't it?
Okay.
Yeah, let's see.
I'm leaving.
Watch out.
I don't know what it does. Is it still going? I think it's the chicken.
That's the tank. Yeah.
The tank's still going. He's trying.
What you said there?
Alright.
The tank just...
You wanna play, Randall?
Yeah, here in a second. Let me
Y'all wanna
see.
play?
Oh yeah,
Wait.
it's still going.
What the fuck?
He's still in the fight. Did the chicken go off? No, he didn't go off. Put him on back on there.
Just like the chicken.
Throw this in there while it's still going.
God.
You wanna play, Jordan?
Y'all stay down there. We'll pick it up.
Yes. Finish him off. He's still in the fight. That's it.
You can record me?
Yep. Action.
You didn't even do anything.
Set it on fire.
One thing.
That's good, nice.
I got both of them. I got both of them.
Go.